Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram experience and stop people from replying to your stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to disable replies to your Instagram stories using your PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. This will open up additional options for your account. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your privacy and interaction preferences. Now, look for the section called Message and Story Replies. Click on it. This is where you can control who can interact with your stories and send you replies. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Story Replies. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll be presented with a few choices for who can reply to your stories. To completely disable replies, simply choose the Off option. By selecting this, nobody will be able to send you replies to your stories, giving you more privacy and control over your Instagram experience. That's it. You've successfully disabled story replies on Instagram using your PC. This setting is perfect if you want to share moments without opening up your inbox to comments or messages from viewers. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to allow replies again in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private and peaceful Instagram journey.